Okay guys, just going up to Alibaba's now to get an early tea. Got to be early now, they've got to be shut by 5 I believe. So we'll just go and have a look in there, do a little review on it and see how we go. Been in before, the food's always been great in there. That's a corner bar. Not open at the moment, I think they're reopening on the 19th. Here we go then, we're going into Alibaba's now. How about you?
That's kebab shop in Benidorm.
I think we're going for curry though, are we?
Yeah.
3-course curry for around about €6-7, is it?
Yeah, what are they?
I think it's about €7. There's an hotel open up there. There's some singing going on.
I think it's coming from Paddock.
Okay, we're going to have a look and let you know how we go afterwards. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay guys, here we are at Ali's. So our main course now. There's Sue. Say hello, Sue.
Hi.
No, say hello, Sue.
Hello, Sue.
Anybody called Sue out there? There's mine. What have you had, Marcus?
I've had a chicken curry.
Chicken curry. What have you had, Sue?
Chicken bacon.
Chicken boona.
I've had a chicken madras. I hope you can see me.
Because you're a baby.
Right, we've had already had starters.
Onion arches each.
Yeah, I forgot to do a film of that. Pump it on to start with. That's it. Okay.
See you.
We'll see you in a bit then. Hi guys, I hope you can hear me. Just a quick review now. We've had our 3 courses here for $6.99, was it? So,
$6.99,
yeah,
$6.95.
absolutely brilliant. Very, very nice. If you want curry in Benidorm, you're over here, come to Ali's. Yeah, what do you think of it, sir?
It was absolutely lovely, well worth the money. And you get poppadoms to start with all the dips. And then you get your curry, you got a choice of curries. You can have it with naans, chips or rice. What we do, because there's 3 of us, we have 1 of each and then share it round, and then you get your ice cream afterwards. So very good.
Marcus?
Yeah, I ordered a chicken curry and chips, and as always it was absolutely gorgeous. We've been here multiple times and got to know Ali and his beautiful family as well. So if Ali is watching this, thanks for the brilliant meal again, and we hope you're doing well, my friend. Back to you, Mike.
Oh, yeah, put me in the camera, Marcus. I've been up for a while, but absolutely brilliant. Yeah, just so we remember it, yeah?
Always
No
good.
complaints at all. So, if you're in Benidorm, you want a curry,
Yeah.
this is the place to come.
Always good, always made welcome.
Yeah.
And now we have to pay the
Yeah,
bill.
we'll do that. Bill. So, no, Marcus. Here's the bill. Now, if you can see that, that's
26
€26.
euro.
3 of us.
3-course meal.
3-course, 4-course meal.
Well, 3 course,
Yeah,
but
one
yeah, you
done,
get
4-course,
starters.
yeah.
That's with extra drinks, of course. We've had
Can't go
extra
wrong.
drinks.
Yeah, we've had extra drinks on top of that as well.
Curry in the sun.
Yeah.
Proper lager as well, look. I don't know if you can see that. You guys have been to Spain, you will know about your lagers. Most of them go flat. I've had that, what, about half an hour now?
Yes.
Still go head on. So, we're going to leave the review here. You haven't been down here, come and try it.
Put it off.
I'll just tell you quickly where Alibaba's is. Alibaba's is situated across the road from Hotel Flamingo Oasis, and it is next door to the Rock and Roll House. So guys, if you're ever here in Benidorm, make sure you pop in and see Alibaba and his family. Adios guys.
Right guys, we've just come out now. Having a bit of a walk up. Where I live here, it's just down from the showboat there. Which we hear has been shut now for good. Whether somebody else will buy it out and take it over later in the year, I don't know. Showboat's just over the road there. And of course just down from the tropical here, which we believe is shut at the moment. Yeah, that's well shut now. I don't know how long they're going to be shut for. They have been open. Something to do with these new restrictions. They can only be open until 5 o'clock. Which of course, if you're coming out for a drink at night, you won't be able to now. It's a bit of a silly thing to do, I think, but we'll be struggling with the entertainment van. There's a showboat over there. I think that'll be up for sale now. What we were hearing. I think it's with all the lockdown and businesses can only last so long, can't they? They're actually taking money in. And of course people get fed up and move on. I hope somebody takes it over and can run it and reopen it. It's part of Benidorm, so we'll have to wait and see.